Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Mac, your go-to place for tech tips, tricks and tools that actually make your life easier. Today we are diving into NotebookLM, Google's brand new AI-powered notebook that's designed to think with you. Whether you are a student, researcher, content creator or just someone who drowns in notes, this tool is a game changer. So let's do it. So what exactly is NotebookLM? It's an AI-powered note-taking app by Google that help you understand and interact with your notes like never before. You can upload documents, PDF, Google Docs and more, and NotebookLM let you ask questions, generate summaries and pull our insights from your material in seconds. So let's see how it works. Let me open Safari and look for Notebook LM, and this is the interface. So we are right here. What we need to do is we need to create a new notebook, and it's like that. Now here we need to upload our sources. We can use Google Drive, links for any website or YouTube, and we can also paste our text if it's available with us. How we are going to do it? So recently I'm working on Microsoft Sentinel. Let's take Microsoft Sentinel into consideration, and let me just open YouTube and look for the content. So Microsoft Sentinel, and here you can see Microsoft Azure Sentinel, and it's a 3 hour long video. Let's just share and copy the link and go back to notebook and click on YouTube. Just paste the link here and insert. Once we insert, it will start adding this particular video right here and start summarizing. So here you can see Azure Sentinel mastering cloud security operations. As you can see here, it's something else, Microsoft Azure Sentinel tutorial. So it starts summarizing this particular 3 hour 30 minutes video into a summary. So here we can find out the summary, and you can also see that NotebookLM is also providing us options here. What core capabilities does Azure Sentinel offer to unified cloud security management? You can see lots of questions here available that you can ask directly to NotebookLM. Apart from that, there are many tools available here like audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports. So you can click on brief talk, study guide, facts and timeline. So once you click on these options, it will start generating the things for you. So you can see it start generating, but we'll start with this mind map. How it work? When you click on it, it will give you, or it can provide you all the topics in this map, and once you click on it, it will again bifurcate these topics like this. Now you can see that under overview it give us cloud native SIMs, intelligent security analytics. So everything is here. You just need to expand these graphs and you will find out what contains what option. So let's just minimize this one and click on studio again, and you can see it's again generating the video and audio, but other things are right here. The security operation study, once you click on it, you can see that this is the guide of 3 hour 30-minute video that you can read directly from here, the quiz and quiz answers, and this is like a short summary, or you can see the notes taken out from that particular video. After that, there are the full video notes that already taken by NotebookLM, what all things it covers. Then also you can just go ahead and see all the notes from here, and then again the notes, the facts, frequently asked questions about Sentinel. Now it's also start generating the video overview and the audio overview. How this will work? Once we have the audio overview available, then the AI will work like a podcast and you can interact in between them. So it will take a moment in between. I'll let you know what else you can do here. You can add other sources as well. Now if we go here again and find out that there are other big videos as well that can be taken in consideration, like this one, it's 1 hour 6-minute course. So if we go here again, share and copy and add the source and insert, then this will also be like this, and this will again change. Now there are two sources. So once we start adding other sources here, it will summarize all the videos into one particular section, and then you can go ahead and use those things. Now, as we had another source, the audio overview is on top now, because now it need to take, or it need to refer to videos from this particular section. Apart from that, you can also add other sources by adding here, if you have text available with you, or you can take a help from ChatGPT to generate a full document and then upload here. Apart from that, there are slides you can add. There are websites that you can add from Microsoft, as it's about Microsoft Sentinel. So it's generating the video and audio. Now the audio is ready with us. Let's just click on it, and once I click on interactive and start it.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're the show that cuts through the noise to give you genuinely well-informed insights. Look, in today's cloud-first
So
world,
you can
staying
see it
secure,
start the
it's
topic,
more than just a challenge, right? It
and
feels
we
like
can
this
join the
constant,
topic in
relentless
between.
battle. You've got cyber attacks changing all the time, and the amount of information security.
Oh, our listeners got something to share. Let's hear it.
Could you please suggest some of the features of Microsoft Sentinel?
That is a fantastic question and something we absolutely want to dive into for you today.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're here to unpack. We'll be touching on many of its powerful features throughout the show.
So, at its core, Sentinel is a cloud-native security information and event management platform, or CM.
And it also
You can see we can ask questions in between that can be really useful to clear our doubts about the topic, and this is really helpful to interact with someone over a topic, and they will answer according, or you can say that take the reference from these particular videos and give our best answers that we can implement in our daily task with the help of NotebookLM. So Google NotebookLM is not just a note-taking app, it's your intelligent research assistant with AI built right in. You can now learn faster, write better, and think deeper with this particular platform. We can add up to 50 sources. That is a source limit, because if we had more than 50, it might take lots of time. As you can see, we have added around 4 hour content in Notebook LM, and it took around 2 to 3 minutes. But suppose if there are 100 sources, then it will take more time. So it's like that. And now the tool is for you to research, to work on it. Share your comments in the comment section if you want to know more about this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in tech and tools and AI apps. Drop a comment below and let me know, would you use Notebook LM in your daily workflow? This is PC Mac signing off. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.